Excellent speech, my friend.
Who the?
What's that?
Identify yourself.
We have guns! Guns!
I am Shalashaska,
Ah.
also called Revolver
Revolver
Ocelot.
Ocelot. Why is his name Shalalalaska? Kinda cute. Ocelot was also cute. Shalalalaska. Oh, the orc would have stolen. Oh. He has a mustache too. Maybe you should twin with him. Now we're matching! I'm Fuwawa Ocelot.
Damn you!
Oh! 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 She's pushing him. That's not kind. Oh, he's gonna face plant. Oh my gosh, we split a level out. Oh no, things are getting serious, Ruffian. Oh, not nice. Blow. Oh. Oh. Galukovic. Oh. Oh, both of them. The revolver's in his name for a reason, huh? Oh. It's in his name for a reason, huh? Oh my goodness. Everybody revolvered. They got revolvered. Revolver Ocelot. Do I have to share mustaches with him? Yeah. Oh. Sha-la-la-la-lashka. Sha-la-la-la-lashka.